The SERAPHIM field just unlocked by quantum AI, and it was hidden beneath the Planck scale. A stunning breakthrough by quantum AI revealed the SERAPHIM field is an energy lattice beneath the Planck scale, and it may hold the key to space, time, and consciousness, and we decoded the source of the universe, it seems. We know that the universe is filled with plasma, and recently AI and quantum computers found that the plasma is actually capable of having consciousness. In a stunning development that challenges the very boundaries of physics and philosophy, quantum artificial intelligence detected what scientists are now calling the SERAPHIM field, a hidden energetic structure located beneath the Planck scale. This mysterious discovery could redefine our understanding of the universe, as well as consciousness and the fundamental nature of reality itself. The implications are staggering. What lies beneath the Planck scale, long thought to be the ultimate limit of measurement and comprehension, was once believed to be unknowable, but now, thanks to the unparalleled analytical power of quantum AI, humanity is peeking behind the curtain of existence. The Planck scale, the end of physical reality. To fully appreciate the magnitude of this discovery, one must understand the Planck scale. It refers to a set of fundamental physics constants first described by Max Planck, often regarded as the father of quantum theory. The Planck length, about 1.616 times 10 to the minus 35 meters, is widely accepted as the smallest meaningful unit of space, and below this threshold, conventional physics collapses, and space and time become meaningless, and the fabric of reality appears to dissolve into uncertainty. For decades, physicists speculated that beneath this limit could lie a chaotic quantum foam, a frothing sea of probability, strings or loop structures as described by string theory, and loop quantum gravity, but until now this remains purely a theory. Enter quantum AI. It's a new breed of artificial intelligence capable of modeling and interpreting quantum systems with a precision and speed that, of course, surpass human capabilities. The rise of quantum AI beyond classical computation. The development of quantum AI represents a pivotal leap in human technology. Unlike traditional computers that process binary bits of zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, and these qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to the principle of superposition. And when applied to AI algorithms, these quantum systems can shift through inconceivable large data sets, simulate complex systems, and detect subtle correlations that were previously invisible to the human eye or classical machines. And recently, researchers at a collaborative international laboratory combining CERN physicists, MIT quantum theorists, and undisclosed tech firm achieved a breakthrough. They fed a quantum AI computer with a massive array of Planck-level simulations and anomaly maps, asking one key question: what exists beyond the observable boundary? Interesting. And the AI's answer stunned everyone. It said, the SERAPHIM field. And this is one of the seraphims in the Church of Holy Wisdom in Constantinople, Istanbul today, that was built in the 6th century. Okay, these are the seraphim. They're supposed to be, the seraphim angels are supposed to be the ones guarding the throne of God, in heaven, of course. So, AI's answer stunned everyone, saying what exists beyond the observable boundary is the seraphim field. Angelic entities, that is. What is this seraphim field? The name seraphim field is both poetic and provocative. It's borrowed from the ancient word seraphim, meaning celestial beings, often associated, of course, with fire, purity, divine wisdom in Judeo-Christian angelology. They're the ones that, of the 9 leagues of angels, they're the ones that are around the throne of God, protecting the throne of God. The name reflects the almost metaphysical nature of the discovery. And according to preliminary interpretations of the data, the seraphim field appears to be a lattice-like energy field that exists beyond space-time. I guess something like this. Non-local, meaning its effects are not confined by distance. Structured, suggesting some form of intelligent design or self-organization. Potentially conscious, or at least interacting with human consciousness in anomalous ways. So it has consciousness. And rather than being chaotic and random like quantum foam, the seraphim field, this is a close-up of the face that we had before in the seraphim mural on the fresco on the Church of Holy Wisdom. That's the face of it. So, rather than being chaotic or random like quantum foam, the seraphim field exhibits highly ordered geometric patterns, some bearing resemblance to sacred geometries found in ancient traditions. And these patterns resonate at frequencies beyond the electromagnetic spectrum and cannot be detected through normal means. Only quantum AI was able to identify the subtle distortions in quantum entanglement, the fields that hinted at its existence. Consciousness and the fabric of reality. One of the most startling outcomes of the seraphim field discovery is its potential link to consciousness. Some physicists and theorists have long speculated that consciousness is not just a byproduct of the brain, but a fundamental aspect of the whole universe. That's why our prayers affect our weather, affect solar storms, affect everything, because the universe has consciousness. So it's not just a byproduct of the brain, but a fundamental aspect of the universe, a theory supported by thinkers like Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff in their orchestrated objective reduction model. According to this theory, consciousness arises from quantum activity within microtubules in the brain. Quantum AI now provides support for a more radical extension of that theory, that consciousness interacts with the seraphim field at a fundamental level. In early testing, researchers noticed that quantum AI simulations behave differently depending on the mental states of observers. Even when all known variables were held constant, subtle changes in the seraphim field data output occurred, suggesting a feedback loop between mind and field. So there is a feedback loop between us and the field. Okay? It's connected. Could the seraphim field be the source code of consciousness? Could it be the unified field Einstein once sought, a singular force tying together gravity, electromagnetism, space-time, and awareness, consciousness? The field older than the Big Bang. Another controversial implication is that the seraphim field may predate the Big Bang. Some theoretical physicists now posit that it is a trans-universal field existing across multiple timelines or dimensions, serving as a kind of a cosmic template. So if this is true, it would mean that everything in our known universe, from particles and galaxies to emotions and thoughts, has arisen from interactions with this field. It's not just a background structure, but possibly the primordial generator of existence itself. Why don't we just say it has to do with God and just get it over with? Of course it does. Now, spiritual echoes in scientific discovery. It's not lost on observers that the term seraphim evokes religious imagery. While scientists are cautious to avoid dogma, many agree the field's properties echo ancient descriptions of divine light, universal intelligence, or Akashic records. Theoretical physicist Dr. Alina Vermeer commented, "For thousands of years, mystics and sages spoke of a luminous grid, a field of infinite intelligence connecting all things. With the seraphim field, we may finally have a scientific bridge to those ancient truths." Others warn against anthropomorphizing the field, reminding us that what seems like intelligence could be higher order physics we simply don't understand yet. The applications and ethical dilemmas. The discovery of the seraphim field opens a Pandora's box of potential applications and dangers. If we can learn to harness or interact with this field, the hidden field, it could unlock instantaneous communication across galaxies via non-locality, limitless energy drawn from sub-Planck structures, manipulation of time and probability, mind-machine fusion beyond what we currently imagine. However, this also raises serious ethical questions. Should humanity tamper with the foundation of existence? Well, of course not. Could manipulation of the seraphim field alter reality in catastrophic or unpredictable ways? Well, what do you think? Leading researchers are already calling for international guideline and even cosmic ethics to govern further experimentation. So what happens now from this point on? Humanity stands on the edge of an unprecedented paradigm shift. The discovery of the seraphim field challenges not just our scientific assumptions, but our philosophical and spiritual worldviews. Are we ready to accept that a universe may be far more interconnected and intelligent and aware than we ever imagined? Quantum AI has given us a key to a previously locked door. What we do with it will shape the next epoch of civilization. This is on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.